Alright guys, it's Tuesday. Let's see if Fry's has anything today. Alright, still nothing. They even cut the power to it. Man. Alright, so nothing today. Maybe my Fry's will get in something. Hi guys, my buddy Raul said that Targets are getting in case, so we're gonna see if mine actually has it or not. So we'll see, guys. All right, let's see. Ooh, hello, chase car, nice. All right, guys, got the new recolor. Another Tesla truck. Let's see. Here's another Porsche. Nice. Here's the red recolor. Ooh, that is clean. Let's see. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. Nice recolor. The main line. I think that's the super for this case. Another beauty. Raptor, that's nice. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we have back here. Ooh, nice new recolor. I see the Bugatti. There it is. Nice. Nice, nice. Alright, let's see what's back there. It's interesting. Fusion. Arrow. Alright, let's go ahead and move these up. Another Porsche. Another La Troca. Did I grab this one yet? I don't think I did. Okay. See, what else do we have? I see the new Impala. Nice. Alright, let's move these up. Another Space Jam. Got it, another one. It's clean. Subi. That. Ooh, there's another new recolor. Move on through. Yeah, the Nissan. There's a recolor of that. I don't know if I grabbed this one or not. No, Rapid has one without the tampos. Raptor. Ooh, new recolor, the Rampage. Nice. Bronco. Let's see, anything. Celica. Leaf. Another Bugatti. Alright, let's see what's up top. Erikenstein is another Olds. There's the R8. A bunch of R8s. Oh my god. I feel like someone was already here. Let's see. I think that might be it. Let's take a look at this. Interesting. Not gonna get it just yet, but I did see Hot Wheels Race Team one. What is this? Mad Splash. I'm actually not gonna get that one. Let's see, you got the gray Miata. God, that 52 Chevy's nice. Nothing. Celica recolor is nice. So not bad. Definitely got the chase. So that's good. Here's a new wave of flying customs. Oh, there we go. Look at that, guys. Got a whole bunch of these. What is that? Looks like that is it, guys. No super, but at least we got a chase. Oh, here we go, guys. Stay tuned for this. This was a mail call, but that video is not today. Today is scoring the fresh in-case drop at Target, guys. Check this out. We have the new recolor of the 2017 Raptor. Check out that paint. A nice dark maroon metallic. You have the Raptor tampos in silver, black stripes, and yes, we have the black off-road wheels with the chrome bead locks. Look at that. So glad they didn't put the off-road mud tires on here. This is out of the Hot Wheels Torque series. Absolutely love this recolor. Next up, as you saw, guys, sitting on the shelf was the new Chase Charger SRT right here. Check out that Spectra Flame Gold. Now this does have the Rescue 7 deco on there in black and red. Does have the black J5s with the red chrome trim, red tinted glass. This is actually super clean looking. I love the gold Spectra Flame. I know my buddy Raul really wants to get his hands on this, so as I told him, if he cannot find it, I will trade him for another chase car that he has. So Raul, that one is on hold for you in case you cannot find it. And then right here, guys, a new recolor of the Dodge Rampage. Look at this. Now this one is much better than the previous release. The other one was red enamel and the stripes were yellow. I love the black and red. Looks super good. You got the chrome MC5s. You have the red three-wheeler in the back. And of course, this isn't a new casting, guys. This has actually been out for a very long time. They just re-released it for this year. This is out of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Definitely love this one. All right, and next up, guys, not my favorite recolor of the 96 Impala SS, but here we go. Out of the Hot Wheels Rescue, you have the Fire and Rescue Tampo on the white enamel. You have the number 68 for the start of Hot Wheels with the black steelies. But like I said, the first release in black was probably the best one. Hopefully they get away from using these for rescues. I would like to see it all red, maybe a dark green, as it only came in two colors. I think it was black and green, and maybe silver. I'm not too sure, but not a fan, but it is another variation. So there's that one. And this beautiful 49 Ford. Check this out. You got a very nice purple metallic with the off-white tampos on there. You have the black 5 spokes with the white walls. Check that out. Now I know this is the super for this case, but I wasn't able to get my hands on it. Someone else got it, or it just wasn't in the case. But either way, beautiful recolor. I think I have like 4 or 5 other variations of it. This is also out of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Super clean, love it. Next up, you have the 67 Oldsmobile 442. Check it out. They released it with the Golf livery. Very good release of this one. Absolutely love it. It's got the black MC5s with the copper ring to kind of tie in the Golf livery. You have the 6 meatball black interior, and this is out of the Muscle Mania. Look at that. Very nice. Can never go wrong with the Golf livery. Next up is another recolor of the Porsche 914 Safari. Look at this. This is probably one of my favorite color releases besides the GameStop, which was in blue. This white enamel looks good. I love the off-road wheels with the chrome lip. You have the Porsche Tampo with the red and gold stripe and the number 21 on the side and hood. Very nice casting. Love the recolor out of the Hot Wheels Exotics. Definitely a good one. So I think this makes number 5 of the color releases or variations. I don't know, but I definitely do like this one. Next up is another super clean recolor. Check out the MX-5 Miata in a satin silver metallic. Check that out. Love that they kept the same wheels on there. The previous one was red with the white 10 spokes. This has the black 10 spokes, same exact tampo work, striping, and everything out of the then and now. Absolutely love that. Check it out, guys. Beautiful casting. Next up, I did go ahead and grab the recolor of the Benz 500E out of the factory fresh. Check it out. Really nice grille and headlight tampos. Got the taillight detail as well. It is a clean casting. I'm not a huge fan of the E series, but I do have the black one. So again, going down the variation hole, I have to grab it. So I actually do like the silver one a little bit better than the black. But there we go, another new recolor. Next up, I did grab another Tesla Cybertruck because I've been giving my extra ones away. So I wanted to grab another. Next up is the recolor of the La Troca. Check that out. You have a nice white enamel. It does have a little hint of pearl and the same exact gold tampos as the previous release in black. The only thing I wish they did was keep the lace wheels on there. Instead, they put the gold aero discs, which doesn't look too terribly bad, but the lace wheels just really tie it in for the lowrider look. But there we go. You got the tan bed interior, the smoke tinted glass, the gold base as the previous one, and this is out of the Hot Wheels art car. So I'm glad they're sticking with this theme for the Hot Wheels art car instead of the crazy colors that we saw on the last year's one. Right here, guys, I was waiting to get my hands on this. Look at the 94 Bugatti EB110 SS. Check this out. Now this casting definitely screams 90s supercar. Check out the detail. You got the nice tail lights, the EB110 license plate, the chrome 10 spokes, and then coming in the front you do have the smoke tinted headlights, which are attached to the canopy. Look at that. Man, that is nice. New for 2021 out of the Hot Wheels Exotics. Man, that is nice. Gives you a little bit of a bio of it. This rear mid-engine all-wheel drive two-door coupe has a carbon fiber chassis, scissor door, 3.5 liter Bugatti quad turbocharged V12 cranking out 603 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate to 0 to 60 in 3.2, reaching a top speed of 221 miles an hour. God, the 90s was so cool. Next up is the Toyota Land Cruiser 80. Look at this. This is also new for 2021 out of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Beautiful slate gray. You got the spare tire out back, the off-road wheels in gray. And then as you can see, you have the Greddy and the 1552 tampos on the side. Now I know Rapid Nismo got his hands on this and it does not have the tampos. So he does have a little tampo error. Check out nice headlight and grille detail, but no taillight detail, but still awesome casting right there. Next up is the recolor of the Nissan R390 in red. Look at this one. Another Hot Wheels factory fresh release. You do have the taillight tampos and headlights, which is signature for the factory fresh. Very nice, very basic looking, and they still have the 5 spokes in chrome. Very nice recolor aside from the blue one that was previous. Next up is the Ain't Fair recolor. Look at this one. First one was a green pearlescent, but it does have the gold 5 spokes tinted glass. This thing is really nice. Love the black motor. You got the chrome accents. Still has the bus 52 on the side. There we go, another Ryu Asada masterpiece. I did get my hands on another Bugatti EB110, so I'll set that off to the side. Then here we go, guys, the new recolor of the Toyota Celica. Look at this teal. Now that is nice. Does have a brown and gold stripe tampos. You got some Japanese writing. The black lace wheels, which looks really good. Look at that. Beautiful. I think this one is a little bit cooler than the first release. The first release was this color, more of a pearlescent, but it looks so much better on the car itself. Next up is the new recolor of the 52 Chevy. Check out that rusted and tattered flame job on this matte gray. Look at that. Black steelies, copper ring, got the clear glass and the black chrome grille. This is out of the Hot Wheels Flame series, so super stoked that this stuck around for this year. I know there was rumors that it was going away. I know I told you guys at the beginning it was, but it was here. And last but definitely not least, guys, the new recolor of the Ducati Scrambler. Check out that graphic right there. You got the fighter teeth with the eyes and the Scrambler tampo right there on the lower half. The nice military green with the black. So this is out of the Baja Blazer set. Check that out. Super clean. Love this one. The Moon Eyes one prior was awesome as well. But there we go, guys. Not a huge in-case haul, but definitely got the ones to highlight. You got the Bugatti EB110, the Ford F1, the chase car, Olds 442 with the Gulf livery, Land Cruiser, which is super clean, the 52 Chevy. All these cars, guys, are beautiful. What a way to start out in case. I need to figure out which ones I'm missing. I need to get my hands on the Super. Hopefully I can. It's all about timing, guys. But that is all I got. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. I know it's weird seeing this place completely naked, but it is what it is, guys. I'm still going to continue hunting, still posting videos and unboxes and all that stuff. So stay tuned for that mail call, which will be after this one. So yeah, that is all I got. Like I always say, comment down below. Let me know which one of these was your favorite recolor or release, and if you had anticipations of the new Bugatti release for 2021. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.